In this tutorial, we will explore how to monitor Zookeeper using the Zookeeper exporter. On your web browser, search for Download Zookeeper. Click on the official Apache release link. Next, click on Download and then on the Latest Stable Release link. Begin the download of the .tgz file. Once the download is complete, open the terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the Downloads directory and locate the Zookeeper.tgz file. Create a new directory to store all Zookeeper-related files. Move the Zookeeper.tgz file from the Downloads directory into this new directory. Extract the tarball, and you'll see the conf, bin, and lib directories. Go into the conf directory and copy the sample config file to create a new configuration. Review the zoo.cfg file. If needed, edit the zoo.cfg file to set the data directory. Next, enter the bin directory and run the zkserver.sh script with start as the argument to start the Zookeeper server. You can check the logs to confirm that Zookeeper has started and used the zoo.cfg configuration. Verify that the Zookeeper process is running. You can also execute zkcli.sh to open the Zookeeper CLI and test basic commands. You are now connected to the Zookeeper CLI. You can also check the status of the Zookeeper server. Now, download Zookeeper exporter from the GitHub page. Click on the latest release link and download the Zookeeper exporter.tgz file according to your system's OS. Locate the directory and move it into the Zookeeper directory you created earlier. Extract the tarball. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see the Zookeeper exporter executable file. To run it, pass the Zookeeper host and port as flags. You can find the Zookeeper port in the zoo.cfg file under the client port setting. Refer to the GitHub page's README for the correct flag to use. If you get a warning that the developer cannot be verified, go to your system's privacy settings and click Allow. Once done, rerun the Zookeeper exporter. The logs should indicate that metrics are available at port 9141 on the /metrics endpoint. Open a new tab and check the endpoint by curling it. If it returns 0 Zookeeper servers, that is incorrect, as our server is running. There's a warning about the mntr command not being allowed. This relates to the 4-letter word whitelist command in Zookeeper's configuration. Check the GitHub page, and you'll find a note that mntr needs to be whitelist. Copy this configuration, add mntr as the value in the zoo.cfg file, save, and restart the Zookeeper server. After restarting, rerun the Zookeeper exporter. Curl the metrics endpoint again, and now you should be able to retrieve Zookeeper metrics in a Prometheus scrapable format. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.